Hello and welcome. Today we bring you Colonel Sanders' recipe for success, 20 quotes, and a few of his business principles that helped him succeed. And we start with his first quote when he said, "I'm too drunk to taste this chicken." I made a resolve then that I was going to amount to something if I could. And no hours, nor amount of labor, nor amount of money would deter me from giving the best that there was in me. I've only had two rules: do all you can and do it the best you can. It's the only way you ever get that feeling of accomplishing something. There's no reason to be the richest man in the cemetery. You can't do any business from there. The hard way builds solid character in a man, and I thank God for it. I'm not too proud of the old days when I stole chickens, but I can tell you they tasted a hell of a lot better than what you will buy nowadays. I never see failure as failure, but only as the game I must play and win. I'm against retiring. The thing that keeps a man alive is having something to do. A man can't just sit around. A balanced diet is a fried chicken leg in each hand. Life is uncertain. Eat dessert first. A person who's never made a mistake has never tried anything new. I'm too busy looking for the next opportunity to rest on my laurels. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equal or greater benefit. Success is a journey, not a destination. I never trust a man that doesn't eat well. You don't have to cook fancy or complicated masterpieces. Just good food from fresh ingredients. I'd rather have a piece of fried chicken than sex. I don't think I'm the best chef in the world, but I'm definitely the best at fried chicken. The way to be successful in business is to keep your eye on the donut and not on the hole. These quotes reflect Colonel Sanders' entrepreneurial spirit, humor, and practical wisdom gained from his experiences in business and life. And Colonel Sanders, as we all know, is the founder of KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. And he had several business philosophies that contributed to his success, and we'll share a few of them with you today. Here are 8 business principles of Colonel Sanders. The first principle: quality matters. The Colonel believed in providing high quality food to his customers. He emphasized the importance of using fresh ingredients and maintaining consistent quality across all KFC restaurants. And in this regard, the Colonel said, "There's no substitute for quality. It speaks for itself." You can't fake good food. It either is right or it's wrong. Always use the freshest ingredients. Quality starts at the source. Good food is like good business. It's built on integrity and consistency. And he also said, don't cut corners on quality. It's the foundation of success. The second business principle of the Colonel, customer satisfaction. Colonel Sanders prioritized customer satisfaction. He focused on delivering delicious food, excellent service, and a positive dining experience to every customer. The customer is king. Without them, there's no business. Make every customer feel valued. They're the lifeblood of our success. Happy customers are loyal customers. Treat them like gold. Listen to your customers. Their feedback is priceless. And he said, delight your customers, and they'll keep coming back for more. Third business principle, franchising. The Colonel was a pioneer in franchising. He understood the value of expanding his business through franchising, allowing others to operate KFC restaurants while maintaining strict standards and guidelines. He said, franchising is about building a family of entrepreneurs, not just outlets, not just restaurants. Empower your franchisees. Their success is our success. Franchising allows us to spread our wings and serve more communities. Consistency is key in franchising. Every outlet, every restaurant should uphold our standards. And he also said, franchise with integrity. It's not just about growth. It's about doing things right. The fourth principle, adaptability. Colonel Sanders was adaptable and willing to change. He continuously innovated his recipes, his menu offerings, and business strategies to meet evolving customer preferences and marketing trends. And in this regard, here was his viewpoint on adaptability. He said, change is inevitable. Embrace it and stay ahead of the curve. Adapt or perish. The business landscape is always evolving. Be open to new ideals and innovations. They can lead to breakthroughs. Flexibility is a strength. Rigidity can be a recipe for stagnation. And he also said, learn from failure and adapt. It's how we grow and improve. The fifth business principle of the Colonel, hard work and persistence. The Colonel believed in hard work and persistence. He started his business venture later in life and faced numerous challenges along the way, but he remained dedicated to his vision and his goals. And here's what he said about hard work and persistence. He said, success is 1% inspiration and 99% perspiration. Keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. The road to success is paved with hard work and determination. Dream big, work hard, and never give up. Persistence beats talent when talent doesn't persist. The sixth business principle of Colonel Sanders: community involvement. Sanders believed in giving back to the community. He supported local initiatives and charities, fostering positive relationships and goodwill within the communities where KFC operated. And in this regard, he said, supporting our communities is not just a responsibility, it's an honor. Give back to the communities that support us. It's the right thing to do. Community involvement builds trust and goodwill. It's good for business and society. Be a positive force in your community. Small acts can make a big difference. And he also said, our success is intertwined with the well-being of our communities. We rise together. The seventh business principle of the Colonel was branding and marketing. The Colonel understood the importance of branding and marketing. He developed the iconic Colonel Sanders persona, complete with a distinctive white suit and tie, which became synonymous with KFC's brand identity and helped attract customers. And in this regard, he said, a strong brand is more than a logo. It's a promise to our customers. Tell our story authentically. Our heritage is our strength. Marketing is about connecting with people, not just selling products. Build brand loyalty through exceptional experiences and consistent messaging. And he also said, invest in marketing that resonates emotionally. People remember how you make them feel. And the eighth principle, employee training and development. Colonel Sanders believed in investing in his employees. He provided training and support to ensure that KFC staff members delivered exceptional service and upheld the company's values. And in this regard, he said, our employees are our greatest asset. Invest in their growth and well-being. Training isn't a cost. It's an investment in excellence. Empower your team with knowledge and skills. It builds confidence and competence. Recognition and appreciation go a long way in motivating employees. And he also said, a well-trained team is the cornerstone of exceptional service and customer satisfaction. Overall, Colonel Sanders' business philosophy centered on delivering quality products, prioritizing customer satisfaction, embracing innovation, and maintaining strong ethical values in his business operations. These principles played a significant role in KFC's success and continue to influence the company's strategies to this day. If we brought you value today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content coming your way. Stay tuned for our next video, where we explore more insights from visionary leaders and entrepreneurs. And remember this quote from the Colonel when he said, change is inevitable. Embrace it and stay ahead of the curve. Until next time, stay safe, stay motivated. And thanks for watching The Growth Mindset. Take care.